How to easily add friends in Dragon City. Now in this quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily add friends in Dragon City. But before doing so, make sure that the application you're using is updated to the latest version. And if you've already binded your account to either of the platform available in Dragon City for you to easily locate the friends that you would like to be added. Now all you have to do next is to tap on social. And then from social, you should be able to see these three options. All I have to do is to tap on here we go. And this is going to be your social page. So at the left side, you should be able to see your current friends that you do have on this game. Then all I have to do for them to visit you is just to choose on this option at the right side, this orange and green icon, tap on that, and you should be able to visit their camp. And then if you would like to manually add friends, to choose on log in and get the specific diamond for you to type in manually on the friends that you would like to be added. And that's it. That is how easily you can add friends in Dragon City.